Today, we're diving into the art of organizing information for a brochure. Whether you're promoting a product, service, event, or a cause, effective organization is key to creating a compelling and impactful brochure. Shout out to the nation, it's your girl Deanna, this business coach and entrepreneur. And in this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of structuring your content for a brochure that grabs the attention and delivers your message. Let's get started. Number one, defining your brochure's purpose and audience. Before you start organizing your content, it's essential to understand your brochure's purpose and get your target audience. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve with this brochure? Are you informing, persuading, or selling? Now, for your audience, who is your target audience? Consider demographics, interests, and needs. Let's take a look at some real world examples. Imagine you're promoting an event company like I am. Check this out. Let's take a look at my brochure and we'll use this as an example. This is going to be for my event planning company. Your purpose might be to persuade potential clients to book you to throw children's parties. So your target audience would be mothers, grandmothers, aunties, anybody who's a guardian taking care of their children. Now let's move on to section 2, which is content, sections, and organizations. Now that you've defined your purpose and your audience, it's time to structure your content in the sections. For section 1, which is your introduction, start with a captivating cover and an engaging introductory section that grabs your reader's attention. For your features and benefits section, highlight the key features and benefits of your product, service, or message. Now, a how it works section, this is where you will explain how your offering works or how your cause makes a difference. Your testimonial section includes social proof of customer testimonies or success stories. If you don't have any testimonies, that's okay. You can omit this section and we'll move on to section 5. Contact information. Make it easy for readers to get in touch with you. Your section 6 or your section 5, if you don't have testimonials, your call to action or your CTA. This is very important. You want to end with a strong call to action that tells your audience what to do next. They need to know what to do next. Let them know what to do. Now, let's use my event planning brochure as an example. In this case, I have an introduction showcasing and introducing my event planning company. This is followed by sections that highlight the features and what I offer. Then I talk about how it works. And since I don't have testimonials, I have who I've worked with in the past. Now, following that, I have my contact information and I have a strong call to action, encouraging them to book with me so I can plan their events. Now it's time to prioritize your information. Now that you have your sections, prioritize the information within each one. When using a hierarchy, you use a hierarchy to emphasize the most critical points. The cover and introduction should immediately grab your attention. For key information first, put the most crucial information at the beginning and end of each section. This ensures it's seen even if someone is skimming through it. Headlines and subheadings. Use clear headlines and subheadings to break up text and make it scannable. In my event planning brochure, I prioritize showcasing stunning event images, followed by experience and people who I've worked with in the past. By doing this, I keep the audience engaged and convey my message effectively. Now for your visual elements. Visual elements play a crucial role in brochure designing. For your images, you want to incorporate high quality images that relate to your content. For graphics and icons, use graphics and icons to illustrate key points or data. When it comes to consistency, you want to make sure you maintain a consistent visual style throughout your brochure for a polished look. In my event planning brochure, I use stunning event images that were taken on site. I use very minimal icons, but you can if it's necessary, and a consistent color palette to create visual appeal. I actually created a brand board so that I can stay on brand with my colors and my fonts and things like that. Now, visuals not only enhance the design, but also help convey your message effectively. Here's another important part that you're going to need to do. You're going to need to review and proofread. Before finalizing your brochure, review and proofread carefully. Make sure your spelling and grammar is on point. Check for typos, grammatical errors, and inconsistencies. Ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Don't be having outdated phone numbers. Make sure your emails are good and that they're not bouncing and things like that. All right. Now, imagine you find a typo in your brochure that can undermine your professionalism and deter potential customers. We don't want that. A thorough review ensures your brochure is error free and ready for distribution. And there you have it. Organizing information for a brochure is all about defining your purpose, understanding your audience, structuring content effectively, prioritizing information, and enhancing it with visuals. Remember to review and proofread meticulously for a polished final product. Now, I'm going to tell you something that I'm about to have happen, y'all. So, what I am about to do, I am about to launch a small mini workshop on creating your brochure. This is going to include gathering information and actually designing the brochure so you can have that file with you all the time and that you can update it as need be. And I'll show you how to print it out at your local printing shop, or you may have a local FedEx, you may have a local UPS store that prints things out for you that you can go to. I'm going to show you how to do all of that. If you sign up for my brochure creating workshop, down below, get signed up for it. I'll let you know when that workshop is coming up. If you're in the Pittsburgh area, you can attend in person. If you're not in the Pittsburgh area, you can attend online. Or if there's at least 10 of y'all, I'll come out. I'll come out for sure. But if you want that, make sure you leave that in the description bar below or hit me up using my contact information in the description bar. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video if you found it helpful, or save it so you can come back to it later. Other than that, I love y'all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next episode of How to Business. This is your girl, Deanna Diaz, business coach, entrepreneur, aka your business bestie. I will see you on the next episode.